And I'm just cooking them until they get to this color because I like them more crispy. And these are trumpet mushrooms. So yeah, I personally like my mushrooms crispy. You know what I'm saying? Like, I love me a crispy mushroom. And for this, I did more like a bacon flavor. I'm gonna share the rest on my subscriptions. But what I use on these mushrooms to go for like the bacon flavor, I use a little hickory smoke. I use some coconut aminos, and then I also use a little agave and maple syrup with some garlic powder, and I rub it in, and then I just sprinkle the top with Cajun just to add a little extra flavor. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Now I flip it. I'm trying to do this with one hand. My pan's spinning around, so don't be talking mess now. Woo, this hard. This hard. I almost got it. I almost got it all flipped over. But yeah, and if you want it more crispy, let it cook longer. I'm gonna let the other side cook a little longer till it kind of looks burnt, because I kind of want it crispy like some bacon. You know what I'm saying? Even though it tastes way better than bacon, and I be feeling good for after I eat this delicious bomb food. You know what I'm saying? I've been doing my thing in the kitchen, being healthy, sticking to it. Cooking this up with some chickpeas and broccoli. Alright, so it's time to plate everything now. So as you can see, it's a little like trying to go for a BLT. I got my lettuce, but this is lettuce and arugula. Please don't pull up my pants. Tomato, I got onion. I love onions. The chickpea and broccoli, because this have nutrients I need in it. And also I made this for my son to eat along with the fries and yams I made. And yeah, I'm gonna get ready and bread it. And this bread is made from lentils and beans. So cool, right? And for my sauce flavor, I'm gonna be using some of this, and this is made from almonds. And I want some fish flavor, so I'm adding some seaweed onto my sandwich as well. It also has iodine in it, so I really need to get this in my diet. So me and my son gonna eat this, and he's gonna eat the fries, yams with the chickpeas and broccoli. I'm gonna see if he eats the mushrooms. I hope so. And now it's just time to plate everything, and I'm gonna add some cream cheese on my son's bread as well, so he can get some lentils in. Yeah, y'all, I just feel like talking, like, I just feel like talking, so I'm talking to you guys. I hope you don't mind. And then, you know, you gotta have the black pepper, like you gotta have that black pepper. When you're making a sandwich, black pepper needs to go on it. It just has to. Boom. Put my tomato on there, and I like tomato. Like, I like tomato. I'm so happy. Like, I have came so far. So far. Like, literally, I'm reaching my goals. Onion. Not too much, because I'll just eat some as I go, honestly. Arugula and lettuce. Honestly, y'all, arugula is kind of bitter, but when you eat it with stuff, it doesn't really taste bitter. Like, it doesn't really taste bitter, and I'm honestly starting to love the taste of it. Let me add my seaweed first on my other bread, and I'm gonna put my mushrooms on top of it. Hold on. Want some of this, Damian? I think I'm just gonna do 4. I've been craving fish lately, so I've been adding seaweed to my food. But imagine it, like, if you don't eat plants, you're probably like, oh, that looks nasty. But listen, it's not. Imagine fish and bacon, eating some fish and bacon on a sandwich. Like, imagine that with some cheese on it for y'all. With some delicious sauce, because you know the sauce brings it out. Like some maple brown smoky flavored sauce. Okay, imagine that. Because that's what it's giving. Okay, so boom. Oh, my bacon. My sandwich is gonna look messy. No cap, no cap. And I'm okay with that. And I'm very much okay with that. Alright. This is my beautiful sandwich. My healthy sandwich. This sandwich is good. This sandwich is good. I did this. I'm so thankful to myself. That's what it looked like. It's good, you know? Sometimes you never know. Like, sometimes I never know if it's gonna be good. If it's gonna be good or not. And then I find out. Because what I used to eat plants for almost like 22 years of my whole life. And I'm 23. And I'm like 24 now. I'm gonna be 25. So crazy. Crazy teens. I'm gonna take a bite for y'all though, because I like mukbangs. I like mukbangs and I like doing things that I like. I really got some of that seaweed that time. Seaweed tastes like fish to me anyway. So you're curious, here you go.
Certain emotions cause certain diseases.
Yes, anger causes inflammatory disorders more than anything else. Depression is correlated with cancer. Guilt is also correlated with cancer.
Repressing.
I don't know if you understand it. We have to do this. Or we may be sick or something. Artists who use their art as therapy or use their art as a coping mechanism.